Hey guys, now we're going to talk about order of operations, okay? So the order of operations agreement is a standard order in which arithmetic operations are performed, ensuring a single correct result. I'm not sure, but I assume that you guys have seen like on Facebook and things like that where they put on these long equations and like they're like, what's the answer to this? And everybody gets 1,000 different answers, right? Well, there's only one answer. And everybody gets the different answers because they don't use the order of operations correctly, right? Not everybody's a mathematician. So I'm going to teach you order of operations. So from now on, whenever you see those, you can work them and put up the right solution and impress everybody. Okay. So order of operations. This is how I easily remembered it in school. Just this color. It's called PEMDAS. PEMDAS. In case you want to write down what this all stands for. P means parentheses. So you always do what is inside the parentheses first, okay? E means exponents. After you do what's inside the parentheses, then you take care of any exponents. M, multiplication. D, division. Those come next. Last is your addition and your subtraction, okay? So parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Cool? PEMDAS. It's just something that you'll always remember once you get it in your head. Okay, so order of operations. First thing that you're going to do is you're going to remove the grouping symbols, okay? Which is the parentheses. Parentheses are grouping symbols. So begin by simplifying all expressions within the parentheses, brackets, or absolute value bars. Also perform any operations in the numerator and denominator of a fraction. This is done by following steps 2 through 4 presented next. So, like if it's a fraction, you have a numerator and a denominator, then definitely take care of those in both of those. Perform any operation involving exponents. After all operations have been performed inside grouping symbols, simplify any exponential expressions, right? So take care of your parentheses, then do your exponents. Next, multiply and divide. These two operations have equal priority, so they come at the same time, right? Find products or quotients in the order that they appear left to right. Always left to right is the way you work, right? It's kind of like how we read as the English people. Add and subtract. At this point, the only remaining operations should be addition and subtraction. Again, these operations are equally important, and they are performed in the order that they appear from left to right. So always remember, it's another thing I should write down here, very important, work left to right. Once you hit these, right? So these are left to right, like this. Cool. That worked? That makes sense to y'all, I hope. Sometimes it makes sense in my head, but nobody else's. But it's because my head's a scary place. Okay, so we're going to simplify 7 plus 4 times 9. So the first thing that we do, are there any parentheses? No. So we're good on parentheses. Is there any exponents? No, there's not. But we do see multiplication, so this is going to be what we do first. So I'm going to jump over here. I'm going to drop my little arrow I like so much. So we're going to leave our 7 plus alone. And 4 times 9 is 36. So 7 plus 36, well, that's going to equal 43. And we're done. Okay? Is that cool? Let me get you started on this one. So we have parentheses on this one, right? So this is where we're going to start working first. So we're just going to copy our 10 down and not worry about that so much, right? We're going to just make our parenthesis, but we're not going to do the 6 yet. We're going to do the multiplication first. So that's going to be 6 minus 88, right? Now we're still here for solving, for simplifying, right? Because we're not done with him yet. So 6 minus 88 gives us a negative 82. Now we can do this multiplication, right? So it's going to give us negative 820. You okay with that? Okay, I'm going to let y'all go. Let her rip, tater chip. Have a good day. Okay, I'll post the answer key like I always do. All right, see ya.